Title * add padding around your text in the Mailchimp Builder. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick, but super useful look at how to add padding around your text in the Mailchimp Builder. Whether you're polishing up a newsletter or sprucing up a product announcement, these little tweaks will give your emails a cleaner, more professional look. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to cushion your words just right, so your messages are both eye-catching and easy to read. Alright, let's dive right in. For this demonstration, I'm working with a sample Mailchimp design. If you're following along, just log into your own Mailchimp account and load up the email campaign or template you want to edit. You're looking for that section or block where you've got your main text. Maybe it's an introduction, a special offer, or an announcement. It doesn't matter what the content is, the process is always the same. Now imagine your text is sitting right up against the edge of the box. It can look a little cramped, almost like words are struggling for breathing room. That's where padding comes in. Padding is a bit like adding a cushion all around your text so it doesn't stick to the walls of its box. It's a small design detail, but it makes a world of difference in how polished your email looks. So here's what you'll want to do. First, simply hover over the block that contains your text. You should see some edit options pop up, usually a little toolbar or a button that says Edit Block. If you're new to Mailchimp, don't worry, just take your time looking for it. Hovering means you just move your mouse pointer over the area, not clicking just yet. Once you spot the Edit button, go ahead and click on it to open up the settings for this block. With the Edit pane open, look for the padding controls. They might be labeled as padding or sometimes spacing, depending on the Mailchimp version you're using. The interface is pretty intuitive. You'll see boxes or sliding bars for the top, bottom, left, and right sides of your text block. To add a nice, even cushion all the way around, set each of these values to 25 pixels. You don't have to stick strictly to 25, but it's a great default if you want a generous, balanced bit of space. If you picture the text as being wrapped in bubble wrap, not too little, not too much, 25 pixels usually looks just right without making things feel too empty. Now, once you've added that padding to all sides, take a quick look at the live preview right there in Mailchimp. You should immediately see your text pull inward a bit from the edges. The paragraph breathes easier, and your readers will subconsciously thank you for it. If something looks odd or if your design feels off, you can always adjust the numbers a bit, maybe 20 or 30 pixels instead until it feels right for your layout. Last step, don't forget to hit save and close. It might sound trivial, but it's easy to get caught up in tweaks and forget to actually lock in your changes. Saving ensures your hard work sticks, and that's it. Your text now has a comfortable buffer around it, making your emails look far more inviting and professional. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials and email design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.